talk you through the strategy. 1, 2, bang. 1. Second one is a taper. So in his mind, he's thinking scissors. So he pulls out scissors, right, crushes him, strike his first win of the day.
I know it's against a friend in next door, okay, but as soon as that whistle goes, that's a foe. Okay, for you, that's a chance to get to the front of the grids.
Everything we do today is as a unit, as a team.
Just one thing, boys, met with Spenny yesterday, just competing better.
Nah, Blues all day, I reckon. Strikers look pretty solid, but I'll back my Blues. Nice one.
Final minute.
Yeah, that's huge. Carlo Gamble. Really big one.
Got him, bro.
That's it, Brownie.
Go.
Compete in every play. Our mindset for this whole 50 minutes has to be about our physicality.
So if you want to play well as a team, individually and stuff, it's all about that work ethic.
Don't wait when you want to throw the first punch, eh? Let's go.
Shots on 3, dude.
1, 2, 3, shots! 1, 2, 3, fire!
Set! Let's just be careful not to lose too many to break down in deep. A couple of times we're sinking 2 jacklers in and we're coming out with nothing. Shorten our line up a bit.
Five mauls, 2 scrums, 2 turnover pick and drives. Just like, I'm going to come out with points there.
Forwards, look at their body language. Look at their body action.
3, 2, 1 in. Out.
Let's work hard earlier to get to home and then we're aggressive off the line.
Nice piggies, good platform.
Win the breakdown. That's all I want you to do.
Everyone can train well.
Let's go.
Got it done. That's it, get the dub.